And if you want a shirt, you want a hat, you want some parts for your Corvette, check out 512garage.com. And now, I'm a little bit out of breath. All right guys, welcome to Carlisle, day 2. We're here. We just got the booth set up. We have yellow Vet 04 in the booth with us, and we're gonna go get Matty from Matty's Garage because he's at the gate and he needs a sticker to get in. So let's go get Matty. All right guys, we are at the front gate and we're just about to grab Matty and check out this line of cars. What do you think about that minivan? It's LS swapped. We found Matty. We found Matty. Matty!
What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
They almost kicked me out. I was like, I'm with that guy with a black shirt and nice stuff. They say like, you're fine.
You want to get stickered up?
Let's do it.
All right guys, so I'll just give you a quick tour of the cars that are here in the booth. Of course, we got the C7 Grand Sport, you know that car. We have Greg's C6, which we just did the fuel rails on, and if you haven't seen that video, I should put a link down in the description so you can watch that video. It's a good one. We also have a behind the scenes bloopers video from that video, so you got to check that one out too. Horsepower Obsessed just showed up here in the Hyundai. The C5 made an appearance, so you OG subscribers know I started the channel with this car and I haven't done much content with it, and I get a bunch of crap from people because I don't do enough content with this car, but I will soon, don't worry. And of course we got Matty's Garage. Matty C6 is here in the booth as well. If you're not subscribed to his channel, there will be a link down in the description. Give Matty a sub for C6 content and a genuinely nice guy. And then, I don't know whose car this is. I found this sitting here in the booth. Actually,
felt bad for the guy.
I felt bad for the guy.
Felt bad for the guy.
Now you guys know yellow Vet 04. So he's here hanging out at the booth.
Good time. Thanks for inviting me, by the way.
Carlisle 2020. And then we'll make one stop back here. We got Drew's C6 convertible over here. Cars for Cause, great nonprofit. I'm gonna put a link down to their website as well. So that's the lineup here. A big storm just hit and we packed up the tent just in time, and now we're heading back to the house. It was a good day nonetheless, not quite as hot as it was yesterday, but still a good day. Saw a lot of you subscribers. Thanks so much for stopping by the booth and saying hi and buying some merch. So appreciated. It's awesome. Like I always say, I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes as much as I do, because I really do. It's the best part of doing these videos, and it's what keeps me motivated and keeps me going. What's up everybody, this is Scott with 512 Garage and I'm back with another video. This is Carlisle day 3, and the booth does look a little bit different today. We don't have the actual tent set up. Simple layout here with the 3 Corvettes. That way we can walk around and get some better video for you guys. All right guys, you know I get hungry when I'm filming, so we're gonna snag a piece of pizza here before we get back out there and show you some of the things you've been asking me to film while I'm here. So convertible C8. I think we're gonna go try to find some convertible C8s after we're done eating the pizza. So we're gonna do a little walk around and show you some of the things that you've been asking to see in the comments of my last videos. And so one of you asked to see a convertible C8, and I just happen to know where a convertible C8 is sitting. In fact, it's sitting right on the other side of this camera. Accelerate yellow. Let's check it out, you guys. All right, so guys, let me know what you think about the convertible C8s. I know some people, myself included, would love to be able to see that engine back there, but I gotta tell you, the convertible looks awesome in person with the top down. And it does look great with all of those yellow accents. Let's keep walking. Hi guys, right behind me, if you're spending time on YouTube looking at Corvette content, this probably doesn't need an introduction. This is Street Speed and the InShane Designs line up over here. You guys want to see the giveaway C8? Check this out.
Mike took them off. Yeah, he didn't like it. It still was like the
Let me know down in the comments, did you guys buy some of InShane stuff to try to win that car? If so, good luck. I am gonna make my way down to the AWE booth, but I wanted to show you some Corvettes while we're at Corvettes at Carlisle. So, ceramic matrix gray, probably one of my favorite colors on the C7, especially on the C7 ZR1. And if you guys know Dee's rides, yeah, D'Anthony is here, but this is not his ZR1. This is somebody else's, but still looks great. Awesome color. What do you guys think of ceramic matrix gray? Looks white, looks gray, looks awesome. We're gonna keep on cruising down. We're gonna head back to the AWE booth. Now I know you guys have been asking me about other exhaust manufacturers like Corsa and Magnaflow and Borla. They're not here. They're not here this year, but AWE is, so it's, you know, and they're good friends. So that's why we spent a lot of time down in the AWE booth, and they're down here revving the ZR1. I got a few other videos from this week up with more of these cars. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, make sure you check them out. I'll link them down in the description for you. All right, you guys, we are on top of the hill here in Carlisle, and it's a little windy, so I don't know if you guys can even hear me right now. But this is what Carlisle looks like, well, from on top of the hill. And usually the top of this hill is just jammed with cars, Corvettes everywhere, and I'm sorry to say this year it's not really jammed with much of anything, but that's okay. Like I said before, we're still having a great time. Greg and Heather are here, Team 512. We're doing Carlisle 2020, and we're having a great time doing it. We're back in the Grand Sport. We're gonna head over to the AWE booth and park the Grand Sport there because they've sent some people over to listen to the exhaust, so I figured why don't we just bring it over to their booth so they don't have to keep sending people over here. So let's go. All right, guys, we are at the AWE booth. I just got the car cleaned up and now it's starting to rain, but we did give this thing a few revs so that everybody standing here that wanted to hear what the AWE exhaust sound like could obviously hear the exhaust. But now I'm gonna go undercover so my hair doesn't get messed up. We're not gonna let a little rain stop us from having fun here at Carlisle, but Justin is pulling his C8 underneath the tent because, you know, C8's melt in the rain. All right, you guys, we are here, Carlisle, the fourth and final day, and you know, it's sad to see, but a lot of people have gone home. There's a lot of empty tents like this one here, and there's just not that many people moving around, but there is some action going on, of course, at the AWE booth. They've got a C8 up on the lift, getting one of their new systems put on, and I think we should take a look. You guys want to see what's going on with the install? Come on, check it out. Brand new C8. The back of the car is, well, missing, but that's what you got to do to get that AWE Touring cat back on this car. So check it out, you guys. So if you haven't seen the inside of a C8, now you have. But I want to go talk to the owner, see how excited he is about getting this axle back or cat back put on his car. How pumped are you, seriously, to get this exhaust put on that car?
I'm all the way up from Virginia, man. I couldn't wait. As soon as it hit the website, said pre-orders were up, man, I hit that button, man.
Done deal.
Done deal, man. It's going to transform the car.
You're gonna have a fun drive back to Virginia, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Your gas mileage is gonna go down,
Oh,
you know?
yeah. It's all right. It's all right. I'm good with that. I'm good with that, though.
Well, it's a beautiful car, man.
Hey,
Congratulations
man. Yeah,
on it.
Appreciate it, man.
And
Appreciate it.
yeah, have fun with that exhaust.
It's been a long time coming, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right on.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, so Aaron's car is, well, my favorite color. It's black. Check it out, you guys. It's shiny black too, just like the Grand Sport over there. Yeah, we cleaned it up a little bit this morning. The thing got hammered on the drive home yesterday with all that rain, but now it's nice and shiny and looking good. Like I said, not a lot going on, except I met this guy here, Bill. He's a subscriber of the channel, and he's got one awesome Z06. Should we take a look at it?
Absolutely.
Yeah, let's take a look at his car, guys. So it's my favorite color, again, a black Z06, but look at these red accents, you guys. I know I just took them off of my car, but after seeing them on Bill's car, I feel like I need to do the red accents again. You inspired me.
I've inspired you.
Yeah, we'll film a quick video back at the garage. I'll throw the red stripes back on,
There you
and then, you know, you guys can either give me crap for it or not. Because I do get crap for the
I'm
red
sure
stripes.
you do. Well, I'll get the AW exhaust that you convinced me to get now, and I'll come over to your house and we can go for a cruise.
There we go. I like that idea. Yeah, we just did some revs in the Grand Sport for Bill, and he said, yeah, I guess I need to put that exhaust on my Z06.
Unbelievable.
They just finished up Aaron's car, and it sounds awesome. And those diamond black tips look incredible on that car. Check it out, you guys. Aaron, what do you think, buddy?
Awesome, baby. Awesome. Awesome. This is the place to go right here to get your exhaust. Right here, AWE. All day. All day.
See that, guys? Going crazy with the AWE exhausts here at Carlisle. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars sitting here with the diamond black tips, sounding good, making noise. Carlisle 2020. We're gonna do another rev of the Grand Sport with that AWE touring axle back on it in here at the AWE booth, because, well, it sounds so good, but this time Greg's gonna do the revs. And that's why they are the best sounding exhaust systems on the planet, and they are on sale on the website 512garage.com. How are you guys?
It's the same thing. All right, well,
That does it for Carlisle 2020. Day 4 is coming to an end. We're getting ready to jump in our cars and head home. Big thanks to this guy over here, Horsepower Obsessed. If you're not already subscribed to his channel, link down in the description. Give this guy a sub, because, well, he loves Corvettes just as much as we do,
yeah,
right?
exactly.
Exactly. How do you think this weekend was?
I think it was awesome. Basically, I'm going to say the same thing. It was a more limited show, but at the end of the day, it is a larger group of a larger gathering of Corvettes than I'm going to find anywhere else. And what's wrong with that?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, and the diehards were here.
Yeah, they were.
The diehards were at this show, which
Absolutely.
made it, you know,
fun.
fun.
It
that
was a
much
blast.
better. So we're at the AWE booth. We're making lots of great noises. Justin's cars are behind me. His C8, the ZR1, and of course the Grand Sport back there. I'm getting ready to jump in that car. Guys, don't forget, smash the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Give this guy a sub, and leave me
Please.
some comments. Yeah, please, because he needs them, right?
Yeah.
You need everyone you can get.
Please, sir.
All right, guys, leave me some comments. You know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time.
See ya.